The reason I decided to use my probate partner was that I had sent an application for confirmation into the court in Dundee and it was rejected, but they didn't give me any inclination as to what the errors were. It took 2 to 3 weeks, but basically that was the majority of that was filling the application out, because it's not as straightforward as it looks. Because I had most of the information to hand, but yeah, it took a couple of weeks to do that, and then once I sent it away, it only took a week to come back again. But again, they just sent me a letter. It made it out as if I hadn't done it in the right order, so I was a bit confused, so I wasn't really sure what I'd done wrong. A few solicitors, yeah, but they wouldn't give me prices. They said it's on at an hourly rate, and I thought, I'm not doing that because I know how much time I'd spent on it already, and if I times that by how much they'll be charging per hour, I didn't think it was worth it, to be honest, because it was, in my eyes, it was just a straightforward estate, so I didn't really want to pay for a solicitor, if I'm honest. So I went online, I seen my probate partner, and I was a bit dubious at first, if I'm honest, but I went into Trustpilot and read all the reviews. Everything was amazing. So I thought, you know what, take the leap. What's the worst that can happen? And I basically read through the website and I looked like I would be best doing the DIY service, because I'd already filled out the application. I just really needed to know what I was doing wrong. So I selected that, and then, yeah, sent it away, and I got my application approved within a week. And I really wish that I'd done it sooner. But yeah, it was just great. I'm kicking myself that I didn't do it sooner. I would say go for it, don't delay. Just go ahead and use my probate partner. Honestly, you won't regret it. It'll save you so much time.